Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Dogecoin from XMO to KuCoin in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just switching platforms, this step-by-step tutorial will help you do it safely and efficiently. With the crypto world evolving fast, I'll make sure we're covering the latest processes as of 2025, but always double-check for any updates on the platforms. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both XMO and KuCoin, and that your Dogecoin is securely stored in your XMO wallet. Start by logging into your XMO account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section to locate your Dogecoin balance. This is where you'll initiate the withdrawal. Next, navigate to the Withdraw option, usually found in the Wallet menu. Select Dogecoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Now, here's a crucial step. Enter your KuCoin wallet address. To get this, log into your KuCoin account separately, go to your Dogecoin wallet, and copy the deposit address. Paste it carefully into the XMO withdrawal form to avoid any errors. Double-check for accuracy because mistakes can lead to lost funds. After entering the address, you'll need to specify the amount of Dogecoin you want to withdraw. Remember to account for any network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Once everything looks good, hit the Withdraw or Confirm button. You'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. Go ahead and verify that. Now, sit tight. The withdrawal might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's processed, hop over to your KuCoin account and check your Dogecoin balance in the Wallet section. If everything went smoothly, your coins should be there. In conclusion, withdrawing Dogecoin from XMO to KuCoin is pretty simple, but always prioritize security. Use strong passwords and enable 2FA. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep navigating the crypto world together. Stay safe out there.